Who was the first Canadian airman to receive the Victoria Cross? A month after the start of the First World War, Colonel Sam Hughes forms the Canadian Aviation Corps with one aircraft. It soon disbanded. More than 20,000 Canadians volunteer with Britain's Royal Flying Corps and Royal Naval Air Service, producing 171 aces, such as Billy Bishop, who, during a solo mission, attacks a German airfield, destroys 3 enemy aircraft, and becomes the first Canadian airman to receive the Victoria Cross. On April 1, 1924, the Royal Canadian Air Force is established as a permanent arm of Canada's Defence Forces.